So the other thing that I took note here, let me see, to tell you was, okay, so once you identify influencers, let's say you start with five people there. Basically what you're going to do is you can search by hashtag, you can search by search for hashtag, for example. If you it's like if you sell chocolate, search for hashtag chocolate and see or hashtag chocolate cake if you sell chocolate cakes, or if you sell, let's say, baby food, search for hashtag baby food or some hashtag like that, and you're going to see the top posts, the ones that got most likes and stuff. Go on those people profiles. They will probably be have the influencer profile that we are looking for. Once you find the first one, if you follow them, Instagram is going to suggest you to follow other people like them. So take notes, follow all those people and take notes who they are. So because they might all be influencer candidates. The thing with influencers is that in the beginning it might be hard to start, but once you start looking for some, once you find some, you're going to automatically find a billion of them, or they'll come to you, or Instagram is going to suggest to you. You know, it's just like you will find them. Also, take a look of people that follow you, that have this profile that you want, because they're going to start to show, you know. Maybe don't start with 10,000 in the beginning, because people with 10,000 might not follow you in the beginning. Maybe start with 2,000 people that have 2,000 followers. It could be an idea. I don't know. I think, I don't remember how much we started with, but that's, it could be an idea. So the idea, once you find an influencer, okay, so you found somebody that has a profile you want, what you're going to do is message the person and say, look, hello, nice profile. We are looking for people to, like in our case, because we sell healthy food, we're looking for people interested in healthy eating and fitness like you to review our low sugar, high protein cakes. Would you like to be one of our Instagram reviewers? And 99% of the time they will say yes, because who doesn't want free cake? So they say yes, and I say, okay, great. What's your address? And I also ask for an email and phone, because so the courier can confirm the delivery, which is also great because now you have that person's full contact, right? So yeah, so that is, and then you ship a sample to them, and then you say, it's important for you to follow. Okay, you will ship the sample for you today. You're gonna get it tomorrow. So they remember you. Otherwise, they might just get the sample and not post anything. It has happened with us a few times, but not many, but it does happen. Remember, you're giving something for free. You're not paying the person. So they absolutely have no obligation to post it, but they usually will. Most of the time they will. So we always say we're looking for honest reviews. And if they ask if you want a story or a post, of course, we prefer post, because post is better for you than stories. Posts will stay there forever. Stories disappear 24 hours. So posts are better. Yeah. Now, another thing. There is a difference between macro influencers and micro. How do I say that in English? Micro and macro. Okay, the big ones and the small ones. The big ones are those people that have over 1 million followers, right? Or I don't know, like Kyle Jenner, like 100 million. You know, you don't want those people. You know, unless you can get them for free, and unless you're friends with them or something. But if the person has above, let's say, 500,000 followers, they will probably actually above 100,000 followers. They might want to charge you, but worth asking, you know. And the thing with the super big influencers is that if they want to charge you, you could think, oh, well, maybe it's worth paying for it. We found personally that did not work. I mean, doesn't work. We have never. I mean, we didn't find because we never did it, but researching with a lot of people that did it, we have never paid for an influencer before. But researching with everybody that has paid them, the thing is they charge a lot of money, and their audience might not be exactly what you're looking for. For example, Kyle Jenner, massive influencer. I think she has like 100 million followers. If she tastes our cakes, she's going to post on her page, and we might get a lot of hits, but you're hardly going to get sales, because people that follow her, they're not only looking for healthy food. They're looking for everything that she, fashion and lifestyle or whatever it is, or reality shows, whatever it is that she does. But because of that, so, and also they're everywhere. They are maybe in any part of the world. And they might be even teenagers that will never buy our products. So you would never be, she had to give you an idea, she charges $300,000 per post. But so I think that makes sense for like a global brand, like say like, I don't know, Nike, or I don't know, something like a, really, I don't know, Chanel or something like that. Something that will, benefit from all influencers that follow her, but not for us. So best influencers that we've had are like between 10 and 30, 50,000. Those girls are amazing. And usually they have a base of followers that are very focused on what they do. Once they start going too big, it doesn't work. Like to give you an example, I have a friend that has a company that sells golf equipment. And what he said is that he has paid, influencers. What he said is that when he paid a professional golf player that is like in the circuit itself, or Bubba Watson, whatever it was, he got a lot of hits, not that many sales. When he paid, when he got an influencer, local, like the professional from his golf club, that made sales, because they know this guy wouldn't lie. People trust the influencer. That's why they're influencers. They have to be trusted by their audience. So, and what did I? Oh yeah, last thing that I wrote down here to tell you was when you get influencers that give you really good return, so sales, a lot of hits, a lot of likes, a lot of extra followers, ask them to be your ambassadors. So we have currently 8 ambassadors, and we repost their posts. We send them free goodies once a month. They post very often about us. They eat, people, and they have discount codes if they want, that people can use when they send us, when they buy from us. So yeah, I think that's it about influencers. That's about all I had to say. If you have any doubts, message me, write in the comments, whatever you want, and happy to help. Bye.